What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to contact LinkedIn customer support. So to access the customer support or to send a message to the customer support, you cannot easily find this option through your profile. So what you can do is go to this website or this link. So that's linkedin.com/help/linkedin/solve. And it'll open this page right here. So you can search for answers on topics that you want, or you can send a message or contact the customer support directly by choosing Get Help from Us. If you click on it and then click on Other here, and you can write your question or topic here, like let's write anything. And then once you write what you want here, it'll show you like related topics to what you want. And if you do not find anything that helps you or answers your question, you can click on create a support ticket here, and you can send an email or send a message to the customer support. Here you can fill in your details like the issue type and your app or site and on what device, and you can type in your question here and then scroll down and click on submit, and your question will now be submitted and the customer service will get back to you with answers.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.